Mr. Producer, you make the best shows. Mr. Producer, you got all them hoes. Mr. Producer.
YouTube kuno pielong agni video kan kren shaphang kajing sha kidnap boxing champion Ryan Garcia baningin ngap baudon banong ayu halor kani aja.
Yo, Andrew.
Hey, bro. All right, talk to us.
Bro, I don't give a. They held me down and they made me watch little kids get.
Where?
Bro, they took me to the fucking woods, bro, and they tied. I'm not fucking joking, bro. I have fucking proof, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. I fucking will show you every video you could ever fucking believe. Bohemian Groove is real. They fucking tied me down and they made me fucking watch, dog. I absolutely don't give a fuck anymore. Yes, I fucking lost it. They're little kids.
He doesn't want to take.
Katkum kajing batai jungu kilara ayu syakata ke Bohemian Groove perlah syakte di kitelai perlah syak Phah jubor pan Peit yakta kajing le niam kesuit jungki ula ongru paulai i yaki khynnah bagi syak tombor hakmat jungu ini gede video hosnam ka kendai spa kendai pulai hag bagi ni kinong mendek suit kila thang im hagamet jong khulung ubadang im. Bat kita kinong mene soitan neki ilai badiru kinong ilam bat ki he spa kiadi ya kesnam kulum. Ya gitu ibom tep ke gini Bohemian Groove ke dei ke jaka private jong ki he spa ha California USA ha kata ke jaka kinong ilam ke perthei bat ki he spa kalang ke perthei ki awan ban pelong secret meeting badru banile ikikam setanik kata ke groove kalapau perthei lingbau Alex Jones nadu gisnam arjar u Alex Jones lai tu bagi ta ke bailum ha kata ke retreat kilai shimbenta ha ke jingle niam ksut kabala khot ka cremation of k hangta kia kenya yo statue kho u Alex Jones ulayo rung sapo kata ke jaka kenya barula shimmi ki footage barula palaj pajba yaki.
Sets us free. You don't burn me once again. Now with these flames, which hither ye have brought from.
Kadang bun ki video ki babatai spang kene ke jaka bat ya kakam ke bagi le hangta. Kene ke para jong kanong ruai ke paunam kamaria kari kala ong hang interview bakala i ya gini ki Jingkñia markmat bat ki jingle tombor ki khynah but kalai turu bagi di ya kesnam jong ki kelu.
Would be wearing black robes with hoods, so you couldn't see their faces. And they'd be walking in a line, chanting, like, drink blood. They do that. I did suffer during those rituals. Some of those satanic holidays, they always will be involved with the sex. What kind of?
Tinganget kabaka about Ryan Garcia wetu kadai kabak shisha. Ka Bohemian Groove kadon shisha haduh menta bat ki le shisha kum kini ki jajkam.